Welcome to Ukrainian Style Dolls. Let's look further and walk together. Greetings! Today we are visiting Sumy. This is a region of northeastern Polissa with beautiful natural landscapes. There are forests and rivers, picturesque valleys and lakes, fields and gardens. Sumy is a fantastically beautiful region. Its nature has always inspired writers and artists, poets and composers. A lot of Ukrainian artists were born in this area. While I was drawing this doll's eyes, it became clear that she is different from the rest of my girls. She won't cook borscht. Her story is the story of an actress. An actress can play a role of a young girl and a mature woman at the same time. And if necessary, she can handle with the role of a grandmother. It was difficult to find a good name for her. Among the many ones, none was suited. I named her Dana. This name has many meanings in different languages. In Ukrainian, Dana means a gift. The owner of this name is a capricious, self-confident woman. That's exactly what you need for an actress. It's time to show high-paint faces of my dolls, how their eyes come to life. She is dressed in a shirt with embroidered floral ornaments, traditional for Sumy region. However, roses were embroidered on the sleeves of chaste girls only. But we already know that Dana is an actress and she is allowed any whims. The hair is arranged with braids. The head is decorated with a shining cap. It is sewn from brocade fabric. The skirt zapaska is made from the same fabric as well. It is immediately obvious that the outfit is festive. A wonderful bright skirt with a colorful floral print decorated with a ribbon. All this floral miracle is girded with a woven belt. All the wear is called a corset with so-called teeth. In many northern and middle Dnieper regions of Ukraine, such decoration was pretty common. The same costumes are in Sumy region as well. Teeth were a sort of talisman that scares away evil look. It was believed that bad thoughts had to stumble on those teeth and became vanished. On the neck we can see a stone necklace and a shiny silver ducach. This is my beautiful doll Dana. Sumy region is a boundless sea of impressions. The limestone quarry in the village of Mokritsa attracts the attention of movie makers. What an awesome landscape! The village of Spilivka is a favorite place of skiers. It is called Sumy, Switzerland. Olympians are improving their skills there. But the most famous city Sumy region is known for is Krolevets. It is a center of traditional cloth weaving. Woven towels of Krolevets are well known all over Ukraine, as well as in many countries abroad. This special method of weaving was invented more than 400 years ago. Let's continue the tradition to present original attribute in the hands of a doll. So today, my beautiful Dana will get a small sample of Krolevets towel. Krolevets towel is an embodiment of happiness and joy. They are the common presents at weddings according to folk costume all over Ukraine. A wedding loaf is usually served on it. It is also an important decoration part of the sitting place of the newlyweds. There are only two colors on the woven Krolevets towel: red and white. This is the highest manifestation of artistic taste. All the main sacred meanings are embedded in those ornaments. This art is preserved today. It is mastered by young future masters. Every year, a folk weaving festival is held in Krolevets. Next week, we'll take the journey to Ternopil region. This beautiful girl will introduce to us her wonderful land. Keep well.